okay, if I remember correctly. So about the Halachah development, right? So how who's these rabbis who tell us what to do, basically, right? That's a good question for a day. So all the laws that we have today, they were passed in two forms. One is written law, which is where we have like Chumash, these 5 books of Moshe, and second part is the oral tradition. So that was given to our teacher Moshe Rabbeinu orally. So and until just I don't know. So and it was forbidden to write it down. All of these years was forbidden. So and people had like some little notes, like some reminders for themselves, but it was completely forbidden to write down. Okay, and after some times when Rabbi Yehuda Hanasi, that he saw that we very soon it's going to end and we're going to disperse and there's no more scholars that remember all oral law by heart. And what he did, he compiled Mishnah. So Mishnah is condensed laws. If you read the Mishnah, you understand exactly zero. You feel not smart, to say the least. At least I feel not smart, right? Because even things that you thought that you understand, when you try to, like you go into Talmud, you see that explanation, it's exactly opposite. Unless you learn in person and you know it from other sources that it's like the way the things work, so you cannot learn the laws from the Mishnah. But in his time, yeah, people could learn the laws from the Mishnah. They knew exactly what was said there. And after that, we have after another few hundred years, people saw that even the Mishnah is not enough. People do not understand what to do. And that's how Talmud started. And our sages, they discussed what it says in the Mishnah. And they came to conclusion. Sometimes they would come to final conclusion. Sometimes they would not come to final conclusion. Okay, doesn't matter. And then comes, after some time, it's come Tur. This Rabbi Tur, he compiled the Shulchan Aruch, first Shulchan Aruch, that comes Rambam. He compiled this Mishnah Torah, as we learn it. As we learn this, like at least pieces from Mishnah Torah. And then 300 to 400 years later came Shulchan Aruch, Rav Yosef Karazatzal, and he compiled Shulchan Aruch from Rambam, from Tur, from Leib, from these great sages, from others also as well. And that's how we know what to do. So that's how we know what to do today, right? And our contemporary rabbis, they look at Shulchan Aruch, they look at Talmud, and see how, what this, let's say, is a light, the light bulb when it first came out. So there was a difference of the opinions among the rabbis. Is it fire or it's not fire? Right? For I don't know, for so many years there were difference of opinions. Some say it's fire, some say it's not fire. What's the difference? According to some, you can turn the switch on Shabbos. According to them, you're going to Michal Shabbos. So it's a huge difference, right? Then the Halachah just developed. So they say yes, this incandescent bulbs for sure it's a fire. So that was final decision. And from then Rabbi just compared the cases, like the cases in the Talmud, the cases in Shulchan Aruch, and see what it can compare to. And that's how they know what to do with refrigerators, with the motors, with the timers. So timers, just in summary. So there is a section in Talmud that says if you open the water channel before Shabbos starts, so it can water your garden during the Shabbos, no problem. So the logic is that you don't so you don't have to, you're not doing anything active on Shabbos, so there is no problem. So you're allowed. So same is here. So you're allowed to leave the switch on Shabbos with your light. You're allowed to keep your as we said yesterday, water urn going. There is no problem. You're not doing anything actively, or your stove going. There is no problem. Assuming that you're not cooking. and what else? Like everything, like and timer. So if you set the timer before Shabbos, technically it can turn off your lights or you turn on your air conditioners, whatever you need. Okay, that's how it's developed in summary, nutshell.